So I get asked often, Tijuana, is it best to purchase a new construction home or an existing home? And my answer is always, it's one's preference. It just depends on what you like. Some people absolutely love new, while others like existing because they see what they're getting. What you see is what you get in an existing home. They like the character, that it's all different. And then, like I said, with new, people just love to be able to say, you know what, I've purchased this new home. I was the first one to cook on my stove. I was the first one to just have access to this entire home, and that's important to them.
Hello, I'm Tijuana Evans. I'm a wife, a mother, a Christian, a boss, an entrepreneur. As you see, I wear many, many hats. I'm a successful and blessed woman.
Hello, and thank you so much for tuning in with Let's Talk with Tijuana. Today we're going to be discussing the advantages of purchasing a new home. And we're also going to be touring this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home that my clients are purchasing next week. So I'm super excited for them, and I just can't wait for them to purchase their home. So I get asked often, Tijuana, is it best to purchase a new construction home or an existing home? And my answer is always, it's one's preference. It just depends on what you like. Some people absolutely love new, while others like existing because they see what they're getting. What you see is what you get in an existing home. They like the character, that it's all different. And then, like I said, with new, people just love to be able to say, you know what, I've purchased this new home. I was the first one to cook on my stove. I was the first one to just have access to this entire home, and that's important to them. So again, it just depends on the individual and what they would prefer. So what I will say though, that regardless if it's a new home or an existing home, just purchase. Purchasing beats renting. Invest in yourself. So just purchase the home. All right, so now we're going to get into, again, the advantages of purchasing a new home. Most people say to me that want to purchase a new home, they'll say, you know what, I want to purchase a new home because I like the fact that I can design the home how I want. You know, I have a clean slate, and I can work directly with the builder as a homeowner to give me and my family exactly what they want and they're desiring in that new home. Purchasing a new construction home gives one a lot of choices. You have choices such as what type of countertops you want, what type of cabinets you want to choose, what type of light fixtures, flooring. I mean, there's so many options that a home buyer can choose when purchasing a new construction, even on down to how you want your exterior to look. If you want vinyl, if you want brick, stone, cedar shake, whatever it is that you want, you can have it. And that's the beauty of having new construction. You know, you can create the memories of building your house from the ground up. You can start with the foundation, of course, taking photos of that, you know, watching the men as they're nailing every single piece of wood together, to your walls being put in. I mean, it's just a wonderful experience for a home buyer to see as their home is being built. And a lot of people who are into new homes, they love that and they want that experience. Another really good thing about purchasing a new home is that these builders, they do research on what the consumer want in their home. So you'll find that these new construction homes, they're open, they're very bright, it's a lot of windows. It's just, you know, the flow is great. Like, you'll have the kitchen that opens up to the family room, which makes it really nice when you're entertaining, because you can cook and talk and mingle, and it just completely flows. So these builders, they know what people like in their homes, and so these new construction homes are conducive to what the consumers are into currently. Buying a new home offers low-cost maintenance. The reason being is because all of your major components are brand spanking new. Major components such as your electrical, your plumbing, your water heater, your heating and air, your roof, all of these things are new, so it makes it very, very easy for a buyer to feel at ease when they are purchasing their brand new home. They know that they don't have to worry about making any repairs or replacing any of these very expensive components. The builder often offers a protection home warranty. Those home warranties vary. It just depends on the builder. But most common in Charlotte, they have a 210 warranty. And what that means is that for the very first year, every single thing from front to back, top to bottom of your house is completely under warranty. For 2 years, you have your plumbing and your electrical that's under warranty, and then you have a 10-year structure warranty. But again, it just depends on the actual builder and what their warranty covers. But you can rest assured that when you are purchasing a new home, a home warranty is included for your protection. And what that means is that we know that those major components are brand new, but at the same time, we also know that some things that are new can be defective. And so all the home buyer has to do is to call the home warranty company, explain what the issue is, and that home warranty company will come out and either replace or repair the item. And the best part of it all is that that home warranty is paid for by the actual builder. Another huge incentive for purchasing a new home is that these new homes now are certified energy efficient. Not only are the builders using great construction materials, stuff that's up to date, and it passes code. Not only are they doing that, but they are making sure that these homes are energy efficient. The windows are brand new. They're making sure that the ceilings and the walls are insulated. And what does that mean to the buyer? It means that your utility bills can be at an all-time low. Who wouldn't want to save money on your utility bills? Everyone does. So these homes are energy efficient, and they have all of these brand new things. They have these wonderful appliances that are just state of the art. I mean, the fireplaces in this house, this fireplace is magnificent. It has a dimmer. It has, the fire that you can just control with the remote control. I mean, it just goes on and on. I was blown away when the builder was demonstrating the fireplace and all of the other upgrades that this couple put into this home. But you get that in new construction. You have, like I said, anything that you can desire that the builder offers, you can have that in your home. If you decide to use the builder's preferred lender, right? If you decide to go with that preferred lender, the mortgage company will actually help the buyer with their closing costs. If they won't pay all of the closing costs, then they'll pay some of the closing costs for that buyer for using them as the preferred lender. So that's another incentive for, one who wants to purchase a home. These homes are move-in ready. Move-in ready means that you don't have anything to do but to gather up your belongings for you and your family, move in, place your belongings where you want them to go, and then you start decorating. That's the beauty of having new construction. One last thing that I want to talk about is the actual community of these new construction homes. These communities are just fabulous. They offer so many amenities, a lot of them do, such as swimming pools and recreational centers, tennis courts, walking trails, sidewalks, you name it, a lot of these communities offer it. Yes, there is something called the Homeowners Association that's usually connected with these subdivisions, but let me tell you something about the Homeowners Association. A lot of times people frown upon that, but the Homeowners Association really is put in place to keep some type of order within the community, and that order is to protect your property values. So try not to frown upon the Homeowners Association too much, because they're really in place to protect and help the homeowners within that community. So yes, you do have to pay for that. But again, it's a really good thing. So look into the Homeowners Association if you're interested in purchasing a new home. Look into that particular Homeowners Association and see what their restrictive covenants are about. And if they're not too restricted, I would say, hey, definitely go for that particular community. The other thing that you can do as a purchaser of a new construction home is that you can actually decide where you want your home to be placed. Where do you want it to be positioned? Do you want it to be on a corner lot? Do you want it to be in a cul-de-sac? Do you want it near the pool? Where the walking trails are? Wherever you like your home position, you have the ability to say, this is where I want my home. So again, just to sum it all up, the advantages of purchasing a new construction home is endless. I mean, it's just so many different reasons as to why it is a good thing to purchase a new construction home. We're going to tour this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home that my clients are closing on next week. We had our orientation on today, and basically what that means is that the clients and the builder, as well as myself, we all meet, and the builder goes through this entire home with us and demonstrates every single thing about this house. He makes sure that the clients know exactly how every component works. Not only does he do that, but we also go through and we put blue tape and green tape on the walls, which indicates that the builder has to come back and do some type of touch-up. So that's why you see all of this blue tape all over the place. But they're closing on next Tuesday, and before Tuesday comes, all of these items are going to be taken care of in the house. So as you see here, this beautiful kitchen with these beautiful updated cabinets. This right here is a pantry. They have chosen to have like the soft close cabinets and drawers. So very, very nice feature. They have upgraded their stove. There's another pantry over here that is really large. I asked my client, I said, do you like to cook? She said, I do. They're a young couple, so I'm always just honored to serve the young people as they're, purchasing homes and doing big things. So right here is the breakfast area, and this is the open family room with this lovely fireplace that I was talking about a little earlier. And here is their dining room. And they've chosen to have this office as soon as you walk into the house. So you have the office, you have the dining room, you have the family room, and then the kitchen on the back side. So we're going to go upstairs now. They have actually chosen to have the wrought iron spindles. We're going to start in the master bedroom. So this is their master bedroom. Nice size, it'll definitely accommodate a master bedroom suite. And this is their master bathroom. They chose to go with the gray and white clean look. This is a very nice walk-in closet. Their garden tub, their oversized shower. They have really chosen some really, really good selections. Okay, you have a bedroom here. You have the laundry room with the folding table. They've chosen to have a loft, and a loft is an open space. It's a flex room that you can do whatever you'd like. It's not a bedroom because it's not closed in. It doesn't have a door. So it's not a bedroom. It's just an open space. And I think they're going to use this as a movie room of some sort. Over here, you have another bedroom. And this is a really nice sized bedroom. Deep closet. Yes. And I just love this little entryway, because here you have a bedroom tucked in over here, and the missus says that this is going to be her exercise room, and this is at the front of the house. So a lot of beautiful lighting in here, just natural lighting. And then here you have the secondary bathroom. So as you see, beautiful 4-bedroom home with a loft, 2.5 baths. There are so many different floor plans that True Homes offer, as well as different builders. There's several different builders that offer other floor plans. So just wanted to kind of give you this quick tour of this beautiful home. Again, if you have any questions, any comments at all, please feel free to make that noted on our YouTube channel. We'll definitely answer any questions that you may have. We will respond to any comments that you may have. Thank you for tuning in on my YouTube channel, Let's Talk with Tijuana. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, any questions, feel free to note them on our channel, and we definitely will get back to you. Until next week at 4 p.m., stay blessed, believe, and you shall benefit.